Hey guys, today we're going to be making chicken nuggets. My mum makes the best chicken nuggets and I'm going to share that recipe with you. The ingredients we need to make chicken nuggets are 2 chicken breast pieces, 2 bread slices, ginger garlic paste, soya sauce, paprika, salt, black pepper and chicken powder. The ingredients are also listed in the video description. The first step is to put the bread slices into the food processor. Now put the lid on and grind the bread. Now that the bread is coarsely ground, add the chicken pieces. Grind it until you see this texture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After that, add all the spices and grind them all together to make a nice filling. Now beat 2 eggs, which we will use for coating later. Here we have the chicken mixture, beaten eggs and breadcrumbs, and we can now start making the chicken nuggets. Now Mum is putting some oil on my hands so I can cut the chicken nuggets using that mold. Now Mum is trying to flatten it so I can cut it more easily. Now I'm trying to cut it first time, let's see how it goes. Oh wow, that came out perfectly. Now let's cut some more. Now take a chicken nugget piece, dip it in the egg. Now coat it with breadcrumbs on all sides. Now repeat this with all the chicken nugget pieces. Now Mum is frying some chicken nuggets for me to eat. They look so tasty, I can't wait. Mum is going to freeze some nuggets for me to have later. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to give this recipe a try.